In this video, I'm going to show you how to print your list and your task details for Remember the Milk. So if you're looking to print a page of tasks from Remember the Milk, it's really simple. Just make sure you're on the page that you'd like to print. Go to the top here, click on this printer icon. It'll bring up a box, and you have an option of clicking black and white if you don't want the blue logo and all that stuff to print. Click on the print button. It should bring up your printing dialog box. Should look something similar to this. And click print again, and then boom, you're all set. And to print your task details, click on the task you want to print. Click the printer icon. And you can choose what specifics of the task you want to print. You can include task details, subtasks, and notes. Because I don't have any subtasks on this task, it is grayed out, but if I did, that would be selectable. And you can choose whether you want it to print in black and white. And then click print, and you're good to go. Thanks for checking out this video. If you'd like to download my free Remember the Milk cheat sheet, the link is in the description below.